I'm John Holcomb with Walnut Grove Farms. We're a 5th generation grain farm. We've got 2 shiver systems in place, and that we've had. My dad actually put in the first dryer that he put in was a shiver system, and he installed that sometime in the mid to late 70s. Before we put in our second shiver system, I mean, we looked at the numbers and we looked at a lot of university studies on the different options. You know, my dad's thought from the very beginning was that the economics just kind of makes sense, you know, from the cost of the system when you put it in, and then also the fact that, you know, you can get multiple use by having the grain bin as extra storage capacity also, you know, versus tower dryers or the other options. And so he always liked the economics of a shiver system. And really, you know, when we looked at the numbers and the economics of it, the shiver system was just the best way to go.